time. Kinda new with apologies. Holding back, I got history. Yeah, yeah.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today I will be tackling the cabinet under my kitchen sink. This project is long overdue and I'm so excited to get this done. Every time I grab a cleaning product from here, something else falls over and I was over it. I just want to make this space more functional for my family. So if you have been enjoying these type of videos of my recent home projects, make sure you're subscribed below. My channel has been growing daily and I wanted to express how grateful I am for my new subscribers. If you are new to my channel, please comment below and say hi. As I always say, I truly appreciate all of the positivity, the supportive comments, and the love. If you want to get to know me a little bit better, follow my Instagram. I usually post daily on there about my lifestyle. My upcoming videos will consist of more home organizing and improving, so stay tuned.
Don't stick around, no. But the way you've been giving me time, oh, it's something in me that says it's fine. Hoping you wouldn't change me. Got the same old flaws, be my red.
So I did want to show you all the products that I planned on using. So first I have this shelf liner from Marshall's that I got on clearance for $4.50, which I didn't end up using later in the video, but you'll see that. Then I have these two jars from Ross for $2.99 each. So I did have these jars in my last video, which was the pantry organization. So these are the jars that I had left over that I didn't use. And then I also found these black pull-out drawers from Ross for $12.99 each. I absolutely fell in love when I saw these because you can store so much in these with less space. And then lastly, I have these fridge and freezer containers. It's a set of 3 for $12.99 from TJ Maxx. So I know this is not a fridge video, but you can still use these as storage. So let's get to it.
I don't know why. Sometimes I love too hard. Sometimes you go too far. Cool down.
Okay, y'all, so I have kind of mapped everything out that was under the sink. So I have a lot of stuff and I'll probably need some more like organizers, which I have. I just wanted to kind of keep those for other projects in the house, but I might have to dig into that because this is a lot of stuff. So like I said, when you declutter and kind of organize things, you kind of see what you have. So I know that I don't need to buy any more cleaner for a little bit. This is still kind of half full. This is Pine Sol and this is Fabuloso. Let's see, I have wipes, Wayman stuff for the sink and the drain, a lot of like the scrubbers, carpet freshener, trash bags. So we'll see how all of this fits. Sometimes I wanna scream, oh my God, you got me in so much trouble now.
sunshine to bright the sky. Follow me on this journey. Leave your troubles far behind. It's a new day, yeah. Lights out, I know it's our time. You and me are free tonight. What would we become if we don't take our chance, yeah. Oh, tell me, son, time is on our side. I won't let no one put us down. Oh, tell me, son, time is on our side. We can make our dreams come true, yeah. Oh, tell me, son, time is on our side. I won't let no one put us down. Oh, tell me, son, time is on our side. We can make our dreams come true. Wake up, sunshine, you're bound to glow brighter than the brightest star. Where life won't take us, I don't know, but I want you by my side, yeah. Lights out, I know it's our time. You and me are free tonight, yeah. What would we become if we don't take our chance, yeah. Oh, tell me, son, time is on our side. I won't let no one put us down. Oh, tell me, son, time is on our side. We can make our dreams come true, yeah. Oh, tell me, son, time is on our side. I won't let no one put us down. Oh, tell me, son, time is on our side. We can make our dreams come true, yeah. 'Cause time is on our side, yeah. Time is on our side, yeah.
You were my best friend. Didn't care about the rules, good on the weekends. I'll be in fools, drifting to deep space. So brave and so stupid, just like the movies. I was gonna stay in the fight with you, just thinking we would do this until we couldn't do it. Each and every high, every night with you. You and me so clueless. We were just broken, shattered, singing along to nothing matters. Stray around like nighttime rumors. We were in too deep. In your worn out sweaters, thinking we'll be young forever. Driving in your mom's old hatchback, and we were in too deep.
Alright, y'all, so I believe I am finished. I'll give you some up close shots, but I'll just kind of show you everything that I have. So I absolutely love this thing from Ross. That was $12.99, the pull-out thing. So as you can see, I was only able to use one, just with like the pipes and stuff. I wasn't able to put two in here, but the other one I'll probably use for our linen closet. So that is the next project. But in my first one, I just have everything that I use on a daily: my 409, my Pine Sol, Fabuloso, trash bags, Lysol spray, and some wipes back there. I have to put at the top. And then at the bottom, since there's not a lot of lint space, I did put like our scrubbers and things, some baking soda, and like the fridge and freezer freshener things. In the first jar, I did put some gloves in there for cleaning. The second one is some dishwasher pods, which we don't use a lot. We don't really use our dishwasher. I like to wash everything by hand. But if we do, I know sometimes my husband likes to throw a couple of dishes in there. We have the pods, and then in that third drawer is the, I think, some matches that was already in here. So I just kind of wipe the jar down and put that behind the other two jars. In the first pull-out thing, so like I said, these are really the fridge and freezer kind of organizers, but who said that you can't use them for under the sink? So in the first one, I have just like our stoppers, and then I believe like some drain cleaner, things like that. And then I have our detergent, not detergent, do they call it detergent? Dish soap, whatever. So I have those two right there. And then I think I have some barbecue cleaner for my husband's grill. All of our Wayman products, so I have each one: granite and stone, the cooktop, stainless steel, and the leather one. And then, let's see, what's this? Oh, I believe that's some oven cleaner. And then right here, I do have our furniture polish. So everything in our house is basically kind of like the wood type. So I do keep this on hand. I'm always using this. I think I have another one in the linen closet, but this is definitely easy to grab. So I have that one first. And then I have a couple of the carpet fresheners. So I think before I started the video, these are all in the back, and I would just go to the store and buy more. But now that I can see that I have 3 bottles of it, then I don't need to buy any more. So that's the best thing about organizing, is that you can see what you have. Like, I don't need some dish soap for a while. I have 2 bottles, and then I have one up there by the sink when I wash dishes. And then in the back, I just have some bleach, which I always keep on hand, and then I think some dishwasher gel. Like I said, we don't use our dishwasher a lot, so that's in the bag. But everything that I need is easily accessible, which I love. These are pull out. They don't like get caught by the thing. I believe you can still close, yes, you can still close the cabinet door, and you can just pull it out, grab what you need, and then pull it back in. And it doesn't get jammed. It's very like a smooth pull. So yeah, I believe I am done. I love the look, and this is very functional for me and my husband. We're the only ones here, of course, but definitely easy to grab and just get what you need. I'm almost out of this, so I'll probably use these 2 for now and then just replace this bottle. But yeah, I love it, guys.
Oh, baby, baby, good at thinking out loud, but not too good at keeping promises. No. Oh, did you fool yourself enough to be proud? Oh, baby, baby, good at thinking. Even though your mama told you be the best that you can, she never warned you for the monsters dancing in your head, the devil on your shoulder strung you up on a thread. But I don't need to tell you, hey, don't you look at me like that when you break my heart like that, like you're feeling sorry. It's your own fault. Now toss the soul.